Okay, scholars, today we will be talking about writing the equation of a line from a graph. This should be on Interactive Notebook, page 53. All right, we know that all linear equations can be written in the slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b represents the y-intercept. We know that m equals the change in y's over the changes in x, which is the rise over the run. B is the y-intercept. It's graphed at 0b on the y-axis. And this is where the graph crosses the y-axis. Okay? So the first thing you want to do is find 2 points on the line. And we're talking about 2 points that cross the corner. So I really want to go, I always start at the origin and just kind of look around. So there's one right there and one right there. And then you count. One, two, three, four. Over 2, 1, 2. Okay, and that is your slope, and we must simplify it. When we simplify it, our slope is 2. And you want to go where, find where the line crosses the y-axis. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's 4 down, so that's -4. So the equation of the line, which we initially said is y equals mx plus b. We substitute 2 for m. And we substitute -4 for b. So that is really going to be 2x minus 4. And that is the equation of the line. Okay, let's try the next one together. Okay, let's try the next one together. Again, we're going to find 2 points on the line. I'm going to use this point and this one. And again, we know that the slope is the rise over the run. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, -2, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over 6, and we have to simplify that, so that's -1/3. So the slope is -1/3. It crosses the y-axis here, which is, you can count that. Start at the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It crosses it at 0, 7. So that is our y-intercept. And again, our equation is y equals mx plus b. So we're going to replace the m with -1/3 plus, and then our intercept is 7. 7, and that is the equation of the line. So I'm going to leave these other two for you to do on this page, and then the assignment page is on page 54. See you in the next video.